Here you guys, hi to you. Charging and refilling Westinghouse refrigerator again. 2 times prior I got chickened out and let go of the refueling the booster rocket for 5 or even 15 seconds. It's worked somehow. It's somehow cold and those are somehow warmer than before. It's really considerably warmer than before. I use this mat for my hand to protect myself. I use flip-flops to make a barrier, and just like old days, some water for warming up the bottle. We are going in like sin, you guys. Once more for show purposes. Attaching the rocket nozzle, refueling.
Up, Daddy.
It's getting colder. At the same time, so much. Like an old time, we had gas furnaces and butane bottles and high performance flames. I put a photo in the description what we were doing with that butane tanks. They were some Braco furnaces. They were temporary high temperature tension furnaces just by fiber ceramic blankets and vacuum fiber ceramic blankets like board for the lid of just a barrel. Thanks you guys.